So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically share blogger post on Facebook page. Let's say you are a blogger and you are using Google Blogger as a blogging platform to create and post your blog content. And you want to share the same blog post on your Facebook page as well, as you have the community over there too. So let me tell you, you can automate this process of sharing blog posts from Google Blogger on Facebook. In this automation, as a new blog post will be published in Google Blogger, automatically with the same details like the link of the blog and the title of the blog, we are going to create a Facebook post and share a Facebook post for the same blog as well. That too automatically. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Blogger account. Now I want that whenever I publish a new blog post on Blogger, I want to share the same blog post on my Facebook page as well automatically. Now to do this, we have to connect our Blogger account with our Facebook page. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. So I'll name it as Blogger to Facebook page. Blogger to Facebook pages. Now, if you want, you can give any other name of your choice. After naming our automation, just select the folder of our Pabbly account in which we want to create this automation workflow and click on Create. Now here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we are going to connect our Google Blogger account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new blog post is published on our Google Blogger account, automatically the details of the same blog post will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to share the same blog post and the details of the same blog post to our Facebook page and create a post over here on our Facebook page as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger window in Choose App, search for Google Blogger. Just select it. After selecting Google Blogger in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Post Added. After selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Blogger account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, in this pop-up window, select your Google Blogger account using which we want to get the new post from. Then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see our Google Blogger account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the blog. So here in my Google Blogger account, I have three different blogs named as Connect, My Blog, and Pabbly. Now, out of all of these three blogs, new blog posts from which particular blog we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. We have to select that. You can see the same three blogs in the Pabbly Connect drop-down as well. Let's take an example of my blog. I want to get the newly published blogs from this particular blog. So I'm going to select that blog over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the status. And in status, we have three options: only live, only draft, and scheduled. Now, what should be the status of the blog post in our Google Blogger account to get that data in our Pabbly Connect workflow? So we only want to get the details of the blog post which are live on our Google Blogger account. If the blog post is in draft or is scheduled, in that case, we don't want to get the details of those blogs in this automation workflow, because for those blogs, we don't want to create a new post on our Facebook page. That's why we are going to select only live over here. You can select only draft or only schedule as per your choice. Now, after selecting this, what we have to do, we just have to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, the last blog, the most recent blog which was published on our Google Blogger account will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, let's create a new blog post over here. I'll just click on this New Post button and I'll start adding the content, the title and the blog content over here. Okay, so here I've added a title of the blog that is a guide to gardening and landscaping. And also I have entered the blog content over here. Now, after creating this blog post over here, let me publish this blog on my Google Blogger profile. So let's click on this publish button and confirm. So just now we are publishing a new blog on our Google Blogger profile. Here it is. Let's share this link. Let's get the share link of this blog and we are going to open it in a new tab. So let's open it in a new tab over here. And yes, here you can see this is the blog post which we have created, which we have posted just now. Now, after posting this blog, we'll get back to our Pabbly Connect workflow and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same blog which we have posted just now, the most recent blog. Here you can see the URL, the link of the blog over here. We will just copy it from here and paste it in a new tab. And this is the exact same blog. Then after that, we'll scroll down and here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time this blog was updated last. Then we have the title of the blog, the same blog title which we have entered over here, a guide to gardening and landscaping. Then we have the self link, we'll scroll down further and here you can see the content of the blog as well. So we have the content of the complete blog with proper formatting, which HTML tags over here. We'll scroll down further and here you can see some other details as well, like the author URL, author image URL and all of that. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Google Blogger account with Pabbly Connect in the Trigger step and received the blog post from our Google Blogger account in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to share a post on our Facebook page with the same blog. Like we want to share the same blog link, the title, and we want to create a post on our Facebook page for the same blog. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Page Post. Now, if you want, you can share some kind of images as well. You can select the action as Create Page Photo Post or a video post as well. Right now, I just want to create a page post with some text only. So I'm selecting this. Then after that, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. And because we have already logged into our Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. In this pop-up window, just click on this Continue button, select your Facebook account. And after that, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of these pages, on which particular page we want to create the post on which particular page we want to share the blogger post, the blog. We have to select that page over here from this drop-down. So the name of my Facebook page which we are going to use is named as Green Pro Landscaping. So here from this drop-down, I'm going to search for the same Facebook page and select it. And whatever Facebook page we are going to select over here, on the same page, the post will be shared. Then after that, it is asking us for the message. That what is the message, what is the post content or the caption we want to enter over here. So let's say I want my message to be, hello everyone, here is our new blog post on, and after that, I want to mention the title of the blog post which we have posted on Blogger. So we have received the details of the blog post from Blogger in the trigger step. So here from this trigger step responses, what we have to do, we have to add this response of the title of the blog to this Facebook pages action step. And to do this, we will be using a process called mapping. So just create the message, just enter the caption of the post over here. And after that, whenever you want to add any details from the Google Blogger trigger step, just click here. And here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Blogger of a new blog post. Out of all of these responses, here we are going to select the response of the title of the blog and it will be mapped over here. In this way, whatever blog title we are going to receive from Google Blogger, the same blog title will be added in our Facebook page post as well. So here we have created this caption, let's say. If you want, you can just create any other message of your choice and you can enter any details which we have received from Google Blogger in the trigger step. If you want, here you can see we have received the actual content of the blog as well. So if you want, you can just enter the entire blog content in the caption section over here. And a post will be created on our Facebook page with the exact same content. But right now, I just don't want to share the blog content over here. I just want to share the link of the blog. So I'm just creating this simple message and mention the blog title over here. After this, in the next field, it is asking us for the link URL. Now here in the field of link URL, we want to enter the link of our Google Blogger post. So I'll just click here, and here in this drop down, you can see we have received the response of the URL of the blog post from Google Blogger in the trigger step. So from trigger step responses, we are going to select this response of URL and map it. In this way, you can create any message. You can create a longer message or add any content over here. And here in link URL, we are going to map the URL of the blog post. And after doing this, just click on save and send test request. Now, when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And yes, here you can see the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a post is shared on our Facebook page, this Facebook page, and this is the message is shared, and this link is also shared over there. So let's check it. We will go to our Facebook page. We will just refresh our Facebook page once. And after refreshing our Facebook page, here you can see a new post is created over here. The post is, hello everyone, here is a new blog post on a guide to gardening and landscaping. Here you can see we have the exact same message over here which we have created in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, here you can see we have the same title of the blog post as well. And here you can see the link is also shared. The users can just click on this section over here in this post and they will be taken to the blog post over here which we have created in Google Blogger. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new post will be added in our Google Blogger account, automatically the same newly published post will be shared as a Facebook page post. And now after setting up this automation, Pabbly Connect will check for new blog posts in our Blogger account every 8 hours. So the connection between Google Blogger and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new blog post in our Blogger account every 8 hours. Now, if you want, you can just reduce this polling time from 8 hours up to 10 minutes by contacting our Pabbly Connect support team. And after doing that, Pabbly Connect will check for new blog post on your Blogger account every 10 minutes. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.